Children, are you ready with the material to make the globe? Just see, I have taken the ball and find out its one point. You can see one point here. You find it out, and then we have to draw a line from this so that it divides the whole ball into two equal halves. Right? Take the marker and draw the line. See this, children, I am starting from here and drawing the line. See, children, like this. Can you see? Okay. Now, this was the vertical line. Now we have to draw one more line from the middle so that it divides this ball into again two halves. Right? Like this was vertical line. Now we'll draw one circle horizontally. Got it? Exactly in the middle. See, children, like this. This line I have made bit thick, and you can see this is also dividing the ball into two equal halves. Right? Now again we are coming to the same point, which is at the top, and again we are going to draw one more line, but like this, so that it divides the ball again into two halves, but like this, means at 90 degree from this line, means like this, means it will make the cross here. See, children, like this, means if you see it from the top, you are able to see four equal parts on all the sides. If you see it from means from any side, means from this side also, you are able to see four parts. If you see it from the bottom, again you are able to see four parts. Right? And if you keep it in front of you, you are able to see it like this. Understood this? Now one more thing you have to do, otherwise we'll get confused. So the top portion, which from where we started, we'll take that as N. Right there, N. Right? So this is N. And exactly under this, the point can be marked as S. Right? S. So now broadly, what we have drawn here, this one is called North Pole and this one is South Pole, and this middle line, which is thick and dividing the earth, dividing the globe into two equal halves, is called equator. Right? This line is called equator. Now let's proceed further. We'll complete our globe. Children, also along with this, you can open page number 80 and 81 of your workbook. Your work will become easy. See, you can see they have given step by step what to be drawn in what portion. Right? So keep it open in front of you. So now on any of the portion, means here you write it as 1n. 1n. Right? And adjacent to it you write as 2n. Then next one is 3n, and the next is 4n. What is to its right? It is 1n again. Now children, where it is written 1n, exactly under it, here you write it as 1s. You match it whether it is there, its numbering is correct or not. Like here it is 1n, so here also it should be 1s. Now here it is 2n, so here also it should be 2s. Then 3s and then 4s. Again you can see that adjacent to it is 1s. So let's see above it, it is 4n. Understood this? Now I am coming to this portion again, which is 1n. And if you see in this picture, children, they have drawn some lines here. So by seeing it from here, you can also draw the lines here on the globe on this portion, means in this portion, in 1n portion, right? Along with that, let's first draw this portion. See children, this 1n portion is ready. I have seen it from here and drawn it here. And also whatever was written there, I have written it here. Now, I am going to come to the portion which is under it. That is 1s. Please be careful while drawing this. The portion should be correct. So, for 1s, this picture you can see and draw it here. Children, see this portion? It is 1s. So, our 1n and 1s portion is ready. So, I think you have got an idea what we are going to show on this globe. We are going to show the continents and the oceans on this globe. So, now we are coming to this side portion, which is 2n. Right, so we are going to draw on this, and for that we'll see this picture. Children, see my 2n portion is also ready, and here it is Atlantic Ocean and North America. And now let's come to the portion which is under it, that is 2s. So for 2s you will see this image and you will draw on this ball. See children, our 2s portion is also ready. Below 2n it is 2s, and you can see here it is Atlantic Ocean, North America, this is South America, and under means this side it is Pacific Ocean, and we'll see what will happen here. Now let's proceed further and we'll come to 3n portion. For 3n we'll see this image and we'll draw it on this. See children, our 3n portion is also ready, and here it is Africa, Europe and Spain. Now let's complete this 3s portion. For that we will see this picture and you will draw on it.